Okay, we're back for the reveal. It's been a couple hours. I even went and took a little nap. So we're gonna reveal what we cooked. So in the meantime, what Tiffany and I did is that we used these chaya sticks to hold down the plastic, and I also went on to use loud and water warm. We use these bottles of water to just hold down. Just a little bit. Sometimes the wind kicks up here in Zanzibar. Oh, I'm in the shower. I don't know if you can see. Girls. All right. So we're gonna make a reveal. Peek at it an hour after to make sure everything's okay. So it's been a while. It's been like 2 weeks. That's what I read now. It's heat kind of stuck. Wow, this got hot. The plastic kind of melted to the tile. I think I will go ahead and get a piece of glass now that I know the plastic is just too intense for the plastic. It's just hot. Oh, yeah, yeah. My pot stuck to it. I spray painted this pot, that's why it's stuck. Anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. Wow. It's my rice and peas. Fluffy rice. Look at that. Nice rice. Okay, so the pot. It's good. Mm-hmm. It worked. Rice and peas. Next time I think I'll put a little tomato sauce in there. It's really good. So it took about 2.5 hours, 2.5, 3 hours. But it won't burn because it's at a constant temperature, so it won't burn. But this is very good. This is my day. I'm going to add me some kind of hot pepper sauce. It's really good. Go uptown, maybe you make me some fried fish. This is good. Thank you for watching. Slow living, recycling. I'm going to keep as much of this foil as I can. The only thing I am going to see if I can find me a piece of scrap glass. That's really good. Okay, subscribe to my channel, African Ocean Homestead. That's African Ocean with a K. Okay, hit the like button, subscribe. Please comment. Please let me know if you want to try the sun oven, and I can email you the instructions. My email is africanocean@gmail.com. It'll be in the description box. Thank you.